What's up, you guys? It's your girl Olivia, and I am back with another video. On today's video, as you can tell by the title, this is going to be a Vogue inspired makeup tutorial slash get ready with me. Before we get started on the video, make sure that if you are not subscribed to my channel, you click that subscribe button down below. We are on the road to 1K, okay? And I need your help. I cannot do it without you. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss another video from your girl. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so the first thing that I like to do is start off with a fresh face. And so I'm going to be using my acne.org cleanser. This is my favorite holy grail product. I've been using this for years. Has completely transformed my skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face. Now that I have a fresh face, I like to follow up with my Mario Badescu spray, and this is the facial spray with cucumber, aloe, and green tea. I have all three of these, and I just use them morning, noon, and night depending on the scent. So I use this one in the morning after I get done washing my face. I'm gonna let that dry, and while I let that dry, I'm gonna take a sip of my drinky drink. Cheers. If y'all don't have a drink, make sure you grab a drink, sis, because we about to get it popping. Bomb. I like to start off with my brows. So this is what I use for my brows. It's the NYX Tame and Frame Tinted Brow Pomade. So I'm gonna go ahead and start on my brows because they do take me a while. All right, so I'm back and I just did my brows. I decided to do them off camera because they take the longest, and also I will be doing a video that is specifically dedicated to my brows, how I do my brows and things like that. So make sure that you are subscribed so you don't miss that video. Now I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my foundation. Now I like to use a powder foundation because I am in Texas and it's hot, and plus I just don't like to have heavy on my face. I'm gonna use the Sephora brand. This is their powder foundation in the color Toffee Spice, also number 62. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my brush, and I'm gonna put this on my. So I just like build it up as much as I want, as much as I feel like I need, and that's it with that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with a concealer. Now for the concealer, since I didn't go so heavy with the foundation, I can go a little bit heavy with the concealer. Okay, so I'm gonna take my LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is in the color Warm Honey, and I'm just gonna use this to highlight underneath my eyes. Take my beauty blender and just blend that out. Pause. That is so strong, you guys. Okay, so now that my concealer is on and blended, I'm gonna go ahead and take my contour palette, and this is the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, and this is what it looks like. I'll be working with this shade here for my contour. I'm gonna go ahead and take my setting powder, and I still use the banana powder, the Ben 9 banana powder. This is a holy grail product. I've had this one for years. This is just a staple product for me. I'm gonna use this to pick it up and then place that right underneath my eye. I'm gonna put it everywhere that I put concealer. Now that I have my powder on, I'm gonna let this sit for a little bit, and I go a little ham with the powder because I have oily skin and I like for it not to be so oily throughout the day. I got a little bit in my eyebrow. Let me get that out. So yeah, while we're letting this sit, I'm gonna take another sip of my drinky drink. I hope that you guys are having a wonderful day, night, whatever time it is when you're watching this. I hope that you're having a marvelous time. I hope that you have a drink in your hands, sis, because sometimes you just need a drink. No particular reason. This is really strong. I forgot what she said it was, but she mixed it with orange juice and it still tastes like straight liquor. So I don't like to keep it on for that long, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this powder off. And when I do that, I just use the same brush that I use to put on my powder foundation, and I just like rub it all off. Go ahead and contour my nose, and I'm gonna use the same palette, but this time I'm gonna use a slim brush like this. If you don't have this brush, you need to get this brush because it makes your nose contour 20 times easier. So okay, so now that I have completed that step, we are almost done, you guys. This is, when I tell you this is the most simple makeup routine ever, it's so simple. I'm gonna take this and wipe, do that, and then after that I'm gonna start with some highlighter, and I'm gonna be using Glowed In by the crayon case. I'm gonna take my sparkly highlighter brush, and I'm just gonna kind of dip in it. Alright, so now that that's all blended, I'm also going to go in with my e.l.f. highlighter. I've had this for a long time. I don't even know what color it is, but this is a staple product. I use this all the time. I'm surprised it's not gone. I have had this for years, okay? This is their baked highlighter, and I'm sorry, but I don't know the color, so I can't tell you guys. But I just go over that with this, and that just gives it a more golden kind of color. To just brush some of this on my eyelid, it brings a little bit more color to my face. And because I didn't put any concealer or anything on my I didn't bring the concealer down on my eyelids, it's kind of like blank, so I like to just pop this in. I have so many eyeshadow palettes and I don't even use them. I just like to keep it simple for everyday makeup, so this is pretty simple. Alright, so I just rub that on there, and then I might even go sometimes in this shade right here, this pretty like champagne kind of shade, and just pop that like on there too, just in the middle to create like a sunset kind of vibe. Alright, and that's just something quick and easy, nothing major or outrageous or anything like that. And take my lip liner. This is my favorite thing to do. This is probably the only lippy or the only lip combo that I really use. I want to branch out, but for my everyday makeup, I do this consistently, faithfully. This is my okay? So I take a brown, you know, pencil, lip liner pencil, and I'm just gonna line my lips with it. Alright. Okay, so now that I have lined my lips, I'm just gonna follow up with some clear gloss. I got this from Victoria's Secret. I've had this forever. Honestly, this lasts so long. And I'm just gonna pop that on my lip. Okay, and that's what I do. Everybody always asks me, what kind of lipstick, what lippy do you have on? And I'm like, girl, it's just brown lip liner and clear gloss. That's it. That's the combo. That's the tea. If you don't take anything from this video at all, take that, because sis, it's a game changer. Okay, I love it. Like, super cute. I'm just gonna put a little bit of mascara on my bottoms because I do have lashes on. You guys probably can't tell because they look so natural, so I'm just gonna pop a little bit of that on my bottom lashes. Now while I have this is like a finishing touch for me. I'm all done with my face. This is a finishing touch for me. I'm gonna take the end of like a razor or anything pointy, the brush of the mascara. I'm gonna just dip that in there, pick up a little bit of product, and I'm going to highlight the beauty marks on my face. And these two are actually real, but I'm going to add one here, a fake one. And this is just to give a little, you know, a little character to your face. So you see, I just added, well, these two are real, and I'm just gonna add one here. Ooh. Alright, so I don't get too crazy with it. I just stick to 3. I know people that put them all over their face like a freaking maniac, but I ain't doing that. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. This is my everyday makeup tutorial. And this is pretty much how it looks every day. I hope that you guys like this video, and if you do, don't forget to comment down below, like and subscribe to my video, or subscribe to my channel, not my video. Like my video, subscribe to my channel. Share this, I don't know, do whatever you want, just don't be negative. But see you guys back for my next video, and yeah, that's pretty much all I gotta say, you know. If you need me, you know where I be at. All of my social media is listed down below, so feel free to follow me, and also follow my business page. It will be listed down below. We are going to be launching, by the time I post this video, we will have already launched swimsuits, accessories, anything pool related. I got you. So come to me, I got you. Okay, come to me, I got you. Make sure y'all check the description box for all of my social media information and follow me. Okay, see you next time. Bye.